The Menlo Club. I've talked to you guys about them before, but instead of just showing you the monthly package and what I usually get in it, I went shopping and I figured I'd show you my shopping spree. So a little bit of a fashion show for you today on The Well-Rounded Dude. Welcome back to The Well-Rounded Dude. My name is Chris. If you're new here, welcome. On this channel, we cover a whole bunch of topics trying to elevate you to that well-rounded status. Today is no different, but we're going to talk about the Menlo Club, and I'm going to show you what I bought on sale. So I am going to talk to you guys a little bit about the monthly packages. I got this denim jacket from 5'4". If you guys don't remember, Menlo Club has about 5 brands. 5'4" is like their stylish going out kind of stuff. And the shirt, the steel colored shirt, is from their athletic line called Grand Running Club. Both came in a package, 60 bucks a month. You can't beat it. I mean, a denim jacket alone can cost you upwards of 80. So getting the jacket and a shirt for 60 bucks, it's a no-brainer. Okay, the next thing that came out of a package is this blazer and this t-shirt. The blazer is from 5'4", the t-shirt is from Melrose Place. All part of the Menlo brand. And also too, guys, I want you to remember, these items are coming straight out of the package. I haven't visited my tailor yet. And that's the well-rounded tip of the day. You always want to visit your tailor whenever you get something new, because all of our bodies are different. So be it jeans, be it pants, be it this jacket, although this jacket does come down at the perfect length for me, but take it to a tailor, make friends with your tailor, and you will look extremely stylish. But 60 bucks for a t-shirt and a blazer alone can be like $170, and that's on the cheap end. To get a quality blazer and a t-shirt, you can't go wrong. Now is here we get into the sale section. Menlo Club is known for going on sale, having great sale items. This denim. Take a guess at how much I paid for this denim. I want you to write down right now in the comments. Tell me how much you think I got this pair of jeans for. Okay, that should be enough time. $14.99 for a high quality pair of denim. This isn't the first time I've bought Menlo Club denim. It is amazing. But I also want to remind you guys, whenever you buy a pair of denim, you got to do the new jean bounce. You got to do the 3 squats, break those fibers, and you will be golden. And to piggyback on today's well-rounded tip of the day, your denim should also get tailored. You want to make sure that you taper the leg. Not only are you going to get it at a proper length. You know, denim comes in 29 to 30, 32, and 34 inseam. It can go a little bit longer too. But not only do you want to get your proper length, you want to taper from right about your knee down to your ankle. It'll give you a much better profile. Next up, we have the Kerr. It's kind of like a t-shirt. It's in black. It's from 5'4". It is, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is a little heavier than a t-shirt, a little lighter than a sweatshirt. So you wouldn't be wearing this on like very warm days. It's gonna be, if it's a little cool, you'll get away with this. It'll keep you warm, but not too warm. But on a very cold day, you want something heavier. But very comfortable, cotton, cost about 10 bucks on clearance. I mean, you can't go wrong. And it's gonna last a long time, especially coming from Menlo Club. Next up, we have got the Melrose Place sweatsuit. You can't go wrong with a nice black sweatshirt. You know, it's very thick, it's gonna keep me warm, I know it. And I love these joggers. You guys know joggers are like the sexier version of sweatpants. Every guy should have a pair of joggers. What makes them awesome is that they're tapered down at the bottom. You know, you get a nice taper, and of course, you know, you can see my ankle here, but you're gonna be wearing these to relax or maybe run some errands, but you're going to look very sexy while you're doing it. You've got a nice silhouette going, and that's what you're rocking. It's casual, but a great silhouette. So another thing about these guys that are really awesome is 2 pockets, deep pockets too. I don't know if you can tell from that, but it just made me laugh. And a back pocket. And not only that, I mean, I think these were 15 a piece. No, scratch that. They were 10 a piece. So for 20 bucks, I got a full black sweatsuit, joggers, sweatshirt. You guys know, like if you go to your Gap or your Macy's or any other place to pick up some basics, some essentials, you're gonna be spending a lot more than $20 just on the sweatshirt alone. So you cannot go wrong with Menlo Club, especially at a discount like this. Next up we have the Polo Shirt. The Polo Shirt is a classic staple that every guy should have in his arsenal. Once upon a time I didn't think so, but when you got one that fits as good as this one, you definitely need one. And guys, do me a favor, don't button it up like this. Dorks do that. If your manscaping is in check, and it should be, you are a follower of this channel, unbutton 2, maybe 3 buttons. As long as your chest hair isn't popping out from under here, you can rock this at a more casual look, a little bit more sexy. You can't go wrong. And we have the light blue denim. Do you know how many years it's been since I've owned light blue denim? Over a decade. But I couldn't pass these up. Now, 15 bucks. You cannot go wrong getting a quality pair of denim. This is from 5'4". I believe the shirt is also from 5'4". The shirt was like 10. So $25 for a great outfit. This is perfect for the summertime. But I also want to remind you guys that these are straight out of the package. I haven't tailored the jeans. You definitely want to get your denim tailored. First time you put them on, I want to see you do that new jean bounce. Again, do some squats. It's good for you. Do 3, break those fibers, and it will fit a whole hell of a lot better. Okay guys, last shirt of the day, this Melrose Place steel colored long sleeve tee. You can't go wrong with it. I believe it's 100% cotton, but it's got a little bit of stretch to it, so there might be a little bit of spandex in there, but very comfy. You know, when you wash your clothes from Menlo's Club, it's gonna stay in the shape. You're not gonna like get shrinkage, or it's not gonna fall apart, not like H&M or some of those fast fashion brands. And again, you guys can't go wrong. I got this on sale for 10 bucks. Now I figured I would show you guys how the shirts come shipped to you, this, at least from Melrose Place. This is their higher end t-shirt. Like I mentioned before, you know, 5'4" is their stylish line. This is like their premium line. But they come in these reusable bags, and a lot of different online retailers are starting to use these kind of bags. You know, your sandwich bags. But just open it up and you pull it out. The silica gel packet. And each item, and this goes for whatever item you get, will have tissue paper to absorb moisture, and you get your t-shirts like this. This is, I believe they call it greige, so it's kind of like the polo I showed you. It's more like an oatmeal, but a little bit lighter than that, I would think. And you get a nice little tag. Like this is going to read that using an age-old artisanal process, we garment dye in small batches, ensuring every piece is unique. This garment will gently evolve, fading in harmony with each wear. We recommend washing separately a few times to avoid any color transfer. Another tip, guys, wash your clothes in cold water, but you can't go wrong with these items. And down in the description, if you're interested in trying Menlo Club, you can get your first package for $20. That is a $40 savings. So if you've liked anything that you've seen here today, you'll be able to pick up your first package for $20. Now I want to remind you guys that in their older packages, stuff from their older packages go on sale in the club. And that's how, you know, I got this t-shirt for 10 bucks. This t-shirt for $10. They do go on sale fairly regularly, okay? So you guys can't go wrong. Also too, you don't have to be a member to buy these items, But if you are a member, you get a little bit of a discount on top of it. Not usually on clearance stuff, but off of the regular price. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember, if you liked anything that you saw, click the link in the description. Become a Menlo member. You're going to get a lot of awesome items. And you can get your first package for $20 as compared to $60. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell, do the social media things. Help me fight the YouTube algorithm because we're growing and I need you there with me. And be sure to check out thewellroundeddude.com. Dude15 gets you 15% off anything on our merch page. There's a lot of cool stuff on there, guys. T-shirts, leggings, masks, drinkware. I added a whole bunch of stuff. You guys will love it. And we will see you in the next one. Peace.